So this one is 88 degrees Celsius. So if it heat up, reach 88 degrees Celsius. If it's good, it's well function, you can see it that it has open. Yes, it will see right there. Alright, this is again. Alright, today's video is all about how you're going to check how thermostat work and how it can cause overheating to your car. This device, the thermostat, how it works and how it can cause engine overheating to your car. So this thermostat here, I have two different of thermostat. This one is for Honda, yes, and you have this one to the normal thermostat here. This one is 88 degrees Celsius. Yes, 88 degrees Celsius. So this one works when the temperature rises to 88 or increase it to 88 degrees Celsius. This one close down when the engine temperature go below 80 degrees Celsius. And it works, it opens when it's rate 88 degrees Celsius. So here they have written here 88 degrees Celsius here, right? So yeah, I'm going to check it right now practically to see how it works and how it allows coolant to flow inside to the radiator. So this is it again. All right, so follow me step by step. We are going to check it right now. So this is the thermostat and it has been closed. You can see it here. It has been closed here. So we are going to check it right now. Dip into a hot water and you can see how it works. So let's go. So now there's a hot water. The thermostat is inside it. So we are checking it if it will open or not. So let's follow it and see as we can see it here. So this one is 88 degrees Celsius. So if it heat up, reach 88 degrees Celsius. If it's good, it's well function, you can see it that it has open. Yes, it will see right there. That's open. So let's check it and see. Yes, and you can see that this one has open. Yes, so now you can see that it has open. So this how thermostat works in your car. So if this one spoil, it will create overheating. Right. Once your head gaskets hasn't been, this one can create overheating. So you can see that it has opened fully, that now the water can flow through to the radiator. Yes, so this how thermostat works. So when it heat up to 88 degrees Celsius, then it shoots out, and when it cools down to 80 degrees Celsius, then it closes back again. So you can see that it has closed. Yes, you can see it has closed. So this is how thermostat works in your car. You see that this one is not good. This one has spoiled, so it didn't open. So you can see these types of thermostats. It's not good, so it didn't open. So if it happens like that, it will create engine overheating. That your engine will overheat, then it will affect your car temperature, then the engine head gasket will bend. So this is how thermostat works in your car. So this is how it works in your car. So now let's take this one like water hose or coolant hose, and this is the thermostat. So the thermostat will seal the hose so that the water can can't pass around the thermostat to enter into the hose. So here that's it will open. Yes, here that is open, then the water will pass through inside before it get to the coolant hose. So when this one close, it increase the engine temperature. It increase the engine temperature. After closing, then after heating up, increasing the temperature, then it opens. Yes, it opens. Then it lets the hot water get out of the engine to the radiator. Yes, to the radiator. Then the cooled water will come back again. That's a recirculation. Recirculation. Yes. So this is how this thermostat works in your car. So this one is a seal. It's got set as a seal to the water hose.